Hello friend, this is Laura from ONCCY Electrical. Are you looking for an AC isolation switch that is not only simple and beautiful, but also of high quality, strong performance, long lifespan, and can reduce power loss? This is our ONCCY EAS50 series AC isolation switch, mainly developed for the European market. They are not only beautiful, but also energy saving and emission reducing while ensuring high quality. This switch can perfectly meet all your needs. This series of switches is mainly installed in the circuit systems, photovoltaic systems, and air conditioning systems. This windproof and rainproof isolation switch is particularly suitable for outdoor installation with a protection level IP66 and material properties that are UV resistant and flame retardant. It also features a padlock design to prevent accidental contact. It has dual 25mm rated conduit entrances at both the top and bottom, and is equipped with 4 screws with protective caps for high-strength locking, providing more convenient terminal connections and wearing space. In addition, we can also provide you with a professional after-sales team to serve you, including but not limited to product installation guidance, after-sales maintenance, troubleshooting, and other comprehensive services. The above services are provided by our ONCCY team. If you need it, please feel free to contact us.